And it's all to go today?
Yes, please.
Awesome.
Whenever the cabinet goes on the road, the Prime Minister likes to make his presence known. And so a lunch stop for Justin Trudeau as his cabinet kicks off a 3-day retreat in Hamilton, where the high cost of living, especially for things like food, are at the top of the agenda.
We know that more than ever, what is happening in the world is affecting Canadians at home. When Putin decides to invade Ukraine or when a virus spreads around the world, Canadians feel it. And obviously right now they're feeling it at the pump and when they do their groceries.
The cabinet will hold high-level discussions on the state of the economy with the hope that interest rates have hit their peak and any downturn in jobs or growth will be brief and shallow.
We have a lot to work on. I think we've done amazing things concerning social equity to support those who need it most in this time of inflation.
They will also take stock of their political arrangement with the NDP. It's supposed to run until 2025, so long as the Liberals live up to the bargain. They've met the first test of expanding dental care. The next test is to make progress on pharmacare.
Great to be in Hamilton. Lots of work to do. Thank you.
When will you meet with the premiers, sir? When will you meet with the premiers? At the top of that to-do list is striking a deal with the premiers on health funding. Over the past week, sources at all levels have reported progress on a deal. The framework, an across-the-board increase in transfers, backstopped by a series of one-on-one deals to meet the specific needs of each province and territory. The plan is to seal the deal at a First Minister's meeting. The question is when.
There is significant goodwill, and the reason is that we all serve the same people for the same purposes with the same dollars coming from the same pockets. So we are increasingly aligned.
I'm optimistic that we're making progress, and at the right moment, as the Prime Minister has always said, he'll sit down with his fellow First Ministers.
So, David, I'm pretty sure some people will want that sit down sooner rather than later. What sort of timeline are you looking at?
Yeah, Adrienne, you remember when we spoke last week, the premiers wanted to get this done by the middle of February. They were so keen to have a meeting, they even offered Super Bowl Sunday to the Prime Minister if he was available. Well, what I'm told now is that the Prime Minister's office is trying to organize a date a fair bit earlier than that. The path forward for a deal is pretty clear. All sides want to get this done before they get into their budget cycles. So I expect we'll get some clarity on a timeline here at this cabinet retreat, if not on Tuesday, directly from the Prime Minister at his wrap-up press conference on Wednesday.
All right, we'll be watching. David Cochrane, thank you.
Thank you.